Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how I repaired a cheap Wi-Fi router after it got struck by lightning. If you wonder what model it is, it's TP-Link WR740N. I have already repaired it, but later decided that maybe someone with the same problem will find that video useful. The problem here was that the router turned on as usual, but LED indicator on the third port was always on, even if nothing was connected to it. And no matter what I did, I couldn't connect to the router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. But LED indicators was on and blinking. And that got me thinking. If LEDs are blinking, then the processor is clearly doing something. And that means that the router is not dead yet. I touched the surface of the processor and it was hot. I have looked online for datasheet for part D20601G, which is LAN isolation transformer. As you can see, I have already removed the faulty part. And, as the name says, it's just a bunch of transformers with 1:1 winding ratio. So maybe something shorted inside of this part after lightning strike, and it put the processor under load, so the processor refuses to connect, and the LED indicator shows that something is connected to the third port, but it's not. Of course, it would be better to desolder this part and replace it with similar one, but I don't have such part and equipment to desolder so many pins. So I took pliers and started gently crushing the plastic package. Please be careful and wear protective glasses if you want to repeat this procedure, because this part has the same plastic compound as microchips and contains thermoplastic and ultrafine glass particles as filler, which are no good for your eyes. After I got inside, I removed all small transformers and chopped off all exposed pins from the package with side cutters. And that's it! The router is now working except two Ethernet ports. I held the reset button for about 30 seconds and typed the router default IP address into the browser. And as you can see, first port is working. And the second port is also good. And now my laptop automatically connected to Wi-Fi. Now I turned off Wi-Fi on the laptop and turned on it again. Good. I will set up this router as a Wi-Fi repeater, but yeah, it's working. Thanks for watching.